This is Brian with BG3D. I recently had an opportunity to go out in the field and see how the install is going on this project. So far they've got the crusher base up, they have the conveyor in, they have all the columns up. This chute was in, some of these walkways. This Alright, we're going to go up the control tower stairs. You'll have to pardon my video. It's just me with a phone. See, they got a lot of touch-ups to do. Looks like all the panel guards worked out. Looking out toward the screen tower. This is just the initial walkthrough. They have a lot of work left because the handrails are, well, they're there, not tight. Just making sure everything looks like it did in the 3D model. I think this is the third week of installation. At this point, the columns and everything they're tacked down, not completely welded. They've started up the prefabricated wall. Shoots in and still loose. They had actually gone to lunch when I started walking around taking the video. You see there's tape. I'm trying to make sure somebody doesn't walk off. See, I debated on going up. Looking at it, yeah, they got braces in. I'm going up. Handrail piece of platform just kind of hanging out. Looks like they got two bolts in it. Decided to go to lunch. And off the video, I actually did go over there. I just preferred not to have the phone out when I did it. I had to go back and put my harness on and a few other things to get ready to walk out there. Got most of the bracing in, still missing two in the front. There's another piece of sheet that goes on top of there with a base. Crusher base. And you can see A whole lot left to do.